Hello everyone, I'm Christina, and in this A-level mathematics video, we're looking at inverse functions, part 3, and our objective is to find the inverse of a function using algebra. And we're going to go through the steps. So to find the inverse of a function using algebra, we're first going to set y as equal to f of x, and then we're going to rearrange to make x the subject. Once we've rearranged, we could rewrite in function notation. That means whatever we get, we can replace the y with x and equate what we have to inverse of f. And the domain of our inverse function will be the range of our original function, f of x. Okay, so let's go through those steps in an example. So our example here is find the inverse of f of x equal to 4 over x plus 3 with domain x greater than minus 3. So our first step is to set y equal to f of x. So that means we're going to write y equals 4 over x plus 3. And then our second step is to rearrange and make x the subject. So how can we do that? We can multiply both sides by x plus 3. Essentially what that does is bring up x plus 3 to the left there. So on the left-hand side, we get y multiplied by x plus 3 in brackets equals 4. And so now let's multiply out the left-hand side. We get xy plus 3y. So I'm just taking y and multiplying it by each term inside the brackets equal to 4. So again, we're rearranging to make x the subject. So what I can do is minus 3y from both sides to get xy equals 4 minus 3y. And then I can divide both sides by y to get x equal to 4 minus 3y over y. Applying step 3, we replace y with x. So we replace y with x and then we equate it to our inverse of f. So essentially what we're doing is here we're then replacing x on the left with inverse of f. So inverse function of f there. So that means on the left-hand side, our previous x input becomes our inverse function, and that's equal to 4 minus 3x as we replace y with x all over x. And so now the domain of our function f of x is the range of our new function, and the domain of the inverse of f is the range of f of x. So that's how we found the inverse function of our function f of x using algebra.